Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 8th, 2022. Let's see what we're going to get into today. We're going to get into Avalanche today and try to see if this market is still on an explosive move to the upside. You guys can already tell that the market is up almost 7% right now. I've already predicted that I was looking for the price in Avalanche to move higher, and take a look. It is exactly doing that right now. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I conduct and I produce price predictions. I try to show you all where I suspect the price is headed so that we can capitalize from the market moves and win in the space. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel as well. Tap that bell notification if you want to be notified whenever I produce my content on this particular platform. All right, so let's go ahead and get started into this real quick. Now, did a video right here on July the 30th, 2022, looking for the price in Avalanche to go up. And one of the best things that I can see right now is that the market in Avalanche decided to come in and keep its price above our ascending line. So already we know from off the rip that price is still bullish. From off the rip, the market in Avalanche has already determined that it wanted to confirm this overall trend. You guys can see it. The market didn't even get close to this ascending line, which I've created in this market. It didn't even get close. So that is why over the last 4 days, we've seen the price in Avalanche just continue to move climactically higher without no emphasis of selling. Like last 4 days in Avalanche, the market did not have to go through a huge sell wall. That is why the market currently over the last 4 days have seen an increase in price of about 30, almost 31% over the last 4 days, which is fantastic. That's great, right? So now the question is, can we still see that happen into the market? Because you guys can tell that my ultimate TP price for Avalanche is right there around 36. Okay, $36. Now for me, it doesn't matter if we're in the market and we're here making money. We need to come in and congratulate ourselves, come in and take some of this profitability out of the market. So let's go ahead and do that right now. If we were to get out the market now in Avalanche, that would give us around 15, almost 16%, just a little bit. You know, leave some of the play on because we still know that this particular market is still exhibiting strength. So we're still anticipating that the price in Avalanche is going to move higher, but let's just congratulate ourselves and take 16% out right now because we called the market. We were in the right direction and now we need to grab the bag. All right, so that's one way right there. So we're going to keep it there. I wanted to show you all the weekly time frame here into the market in Avalanche real quick, because last week was very important for us to understand as well that the market is still bullish. Now on any pretenses of selling, on any movement to the downside, the market in Avalanche will have to hold right here around $26. Okay, so even if we still see the buyers, just like the buyers were maintaining this overall ascending trend line here, we still need to see that at $26. We still need to see it because granted, over 4 days, the market almost ran up, what, 30%, 32%. So obviously you would expect people to try to come in and take some of the profitability as well, just like I told you earlier. So in the midst of that, as long as Avalanche price trades above 32 and even our ascending line, we still understand that market's going to trend higher. Okay, so I'm still seeing here on the weekly time frame that Avalanche is still giving us some strength here. This is Avalanche on the 5-day time frame. This is even more bullish on a 5-day perspective. You guys can see how massive that 5-day price bar is. Now we still have what, 13 hours and 23 minutes, but that's a very good spread. The market is currently closing at the high of the bar as well on this 5-day price bar. That tells us that the market is trying to move higher in Avalanche. So the bullishness is still here. Look at Avalanche here on the 3-day. Look at this last completed 3-day price bar. Same thing. It's almost identical as the 5-day price bar with this very wide spread. That's why the market currently is up almost 7% right now. It's because of what's been going on the last couple of days. Okay, so I'm going to continue to go forward into the market in Avalanche as the price continues to move higher. We're going to continue to chip off some of this profitability. Like, this is how this game is meant to be played. We already chipped off one at 15, almost 16%. And as the market continues to move higher, we're going to continue to chip off more profitability. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to continue to go forward with my prediction. I still suspect that the market in Avalanche is going to trend higher. Go back to my video, which was produced on July the 3rd, to get my price targets. Okay, so that you can understand where I'm looking to forecast profit out this market. I'm done. It's only been 5 minutes. Real quick look at the market trends still to see if Avalanche is still on an upward trajectory, and it is. Okay, we're still seeing the market in the Avalanche bullish. All right, so that is it. Give me your analysis, give me your price prediction, your price target for this particular cryptocurrency. Let me know, are we still in tow to allow the market to trend higher in Avalanche? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.